wake up, the sun's on its way. Let's get ready for a happy school day. Abia jumps out of her bed, brushes her teeth, combs her head, ties her shoes and grabs her pack, lunch and books in a little backpack. Go, 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 go. It's a school day. Sing and learn and laugh and play. Read, drawing, games and fun. Abia shines like the morning sun. Abia greets her friends with a smile. They sit in a circle and talk for a while. They sing the ABCs out loud, clapping hands and feeling proud. Time for stories, time to explore, painting puzzles and so much more. With every color, shape and sound, Abia learns and dances around. Go, 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 it's a school day. Sing and learn and laugh and play. Read, drawing, games and fun. Abia shines like the morning sun. When the day is almost through, Abia waves and says thank you. Back to home so full of cheer. Can't wait for school again next year. Go, 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 it's a school day. Sing and learn and laugh and play. Read, drawing, games and fun. Abia shines like the morning sun. When the day is almost through, Abia waves and says thank you. Back to home so full of cheer. Can't wait for school again next year. Go, 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 it's a school day. Sing and learn and laugh and play. With a smile and happy heart, Abia's ready for a brand new start.